Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some more swatches. It's going to be Glam and Glits Naked Color Acrylic Collection. This consists of like their nudes and their light grays. First color is going to be Never Enough Nude. As you can see on the bottom, this is one of their pretty nudes. It's also in a 1 ounce jar. All of these are going to be in 1 ounce jars. Then next we have Beyond Pale. This is a very light nude color, almost white. And then next we have one of their orange colors from out of this collection. It's a very soft orange. I actually like it for myself. It's a pretty color. And this one is going to be called Enchantress. I can just see on the bottom. And then lastly, we're going to have one of their gray colors. This one is a nice gray. It's called Keep It Casual. This is one of my favorites out of the collection as well. It's like a really cool gray. Now let's get to the swatches. We're going to be using these clear tips. You can get these from your local nail supply store. Let's get into it. And as you guys can see, these are the finishing products. This is going to be Never Enough Nude. Such a pretty color. Pretty nude. Next we have the Beyond Pale, and as you guys can see, it is a very pale nude. A nice application. I noticed that when applying these, I did get a nice and even application on all of them. I didn't have any problems. Normally sometimes with their glitters I do have some complications where I do have to add more liquid, but these weren't as bad. that's going to be keep it casual. Such a nice cool gray. I'm trying to catch the light for you guys, but I'll go ahead and insert photos at the end for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any videos that you would like to recommend, just go ahead and put it in the comment section below.